Hey guys, here we're going to talk about how to solve quadratic equations. And in order to do that, you kind of have to understand that there are 4 different cases. You could break it up into more cases, you could break it up into less cases. 4 seems to be the number that I work with. So if you understand the cases, you can identify which case you're using when you're trying to solve one of these quadratic equations, and then you can use the method for that case. So I'm going to quickly go through the cases, and then I'll revisit these again when we start looking at specific examples. So the first case, we have x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. What's important to recognize about this case is that the coefficient on the x squared term, or on the a term, is 1. So I haven't written anything here because you don't actually have to have the 1 there, but it's understood that a is equal to 1. And the equation is factorable. All right. In the second case, a is not equal to 1, but the equation is still factorable. And it's important to distinguish between these two because if a is equal to 1 and it's factorable, it's very easy to solve. When it's not equal to 1 but it's factorable, it takes a little bit longer, but we can still solve it. In case 3, a can be anything, but the equation is not factorable. In that case, we will be using the quadratic formula, if you know what that is. And then the fourth case, which some teachers may not include here, is the situation in which you have no constant, or c is equal to 0. And in that case, we will be doing some factoring. So I'm going to leave this up on the board for the next couple of examples, and we will reference these as we go through them, and we're going to do examples for each case. All right?